Hello students, in this e-lecture we will discuss word problems of linear programming. Let's discuss one question. A manufacturer produces nuts and bolts. It takes 1 hour of work on machine A and 3 hours on machine B to produce a package of nuts. It takes 3 hours on machine A and 1 hour on machine B to produce a package of bolts. He earns a profit of rupees 17.50 per package on nuts and rupees 7 per package on bolts. How many packages of each should be produced each day so as to maximize his profit if he operates his machine for at the most 12 hours a day? First, we try to formulate the problem mathematically. Students, we need to find number of packages of nuts and number of packages of bolts to be produced by manufacturer to get maximum profit. Let the manufacturer produces X package of nuts and Y package of bolts. So X and Y both must be greater than or equals to 0. We make the following table from the given information. Student, it is given that to produce one package of nuts, 1 hour of machine A and 3 hours of machine B are required. Similarly, to produce one package of bolts, 3 hours of machine A and 1 hour of machine B is required. It is also given that availability of each machine A and B is for at most 12 hours. It means both the machines can be used daily for maximum 12 hours. Now, one package of nuts requires 1 hour of machine A. So, X packages of nuts requires X hours of machine A. Similarly, one package of bolts require 3 hours of machine A. So Y packages of bolts requires 3 Y hours of machine A. And machine A is available for maximum 12 hours. So mathematically we write it as X plus 3Y less than or equals to 12. Next, one package of nuts requires 3 hours of machine B. So X packages of nuts require 3X hours of machine B. Similarly, one package of bolt requires 1 hour of machine B. So Y packages of bolts requires Y hours of machine B. And machine B is also available for maximum 12 hours. So we write it as 3X plus Y less than or equals to 12. Also, profit on one package of nuts is 17 rupees 50 paise. So, profit on X packages of nuts is 17.50 multiplied by X. Similarly, profit on one package of bolt is rupees 7. So, profit on Y packages of bolts is rupees 7Y. So, objective function is Z equals to 17.50 multiply X plus 7Y. So, the linear constraints are X plus 3Y less than or equals to 12, 3X plus Y less than or equals to 12, and X and Y both greater than or equals to 0. And we need to find maximum profit of manufacturer. Students, now we have to follow the same procedure which we have discussed in previous e-lectures. First, we require to draw the graph of equations x plus 3y equals to 12 and 3x plus y equals to 12. For that, we need table for each equation which contains at least 2 points which satisfies the equation. After this, draw x-axis and y-axis on a graph paper. Take same and suitable scale so that we will be able to plot all the points. Then plot the points of both the equation one by one and by joining these points we get two straight lines as shown. Next, determine the shading of both the inequalities and get common shaded region as shown here. Then mark the corner points of this common region as O, A, B and C. Next, find the coordinates of these corner points. Here, coordinates of O are 0 and 0, coordinates of A are 4 and 0, coordinates of B are 3 and 3, and coordinates of C are 0 and 4. If possible, identify the coordinates directly from graph, otherwise solve the linear equations and get the coordinates. Now, find the value of z at each corner point. At the point O, value of z is 0. At the point A, value of z is 70. At the point B, value of z is 73.50. And at the point C, value of z is 28. So, the maximum value of z is rupees 73.50 at the point B. Hence, manufacturer should produce 3 packages of nuts and 3 packages of bolts each day to get maximum profit of 73 rupees and 50 paise. Take one more question. A factory manufactures 2 types of screws, A and B. Each type of screw requires the use of 2 machines, an automatic and a hand operated. It takes 4 minutes on the automatic and 6 minutes on hand operated machine to manufacture a package of screw A, while it takes 6 minutes on automatic and 3 minutes on the hand operated machines to manufacture a package of screws B. Each machine is available for at the most 4 hours on any day. The manufacturer can sell a package of screw A at a profit of rupees 7 and screws B at a profit of rupees 10. Assuming that he can sell all the screws he manufactures, how many packages of each type should the factory owner produce in a day in order to maximize his profit? Determine the maximum profit. Students, we need to find number of packages of screw A and number of packages of screw B to be produced by factory to get maximum profit. Let the factory manufacture X packages of screw A and Y packages of screw B. So X and Y both must be greater than or equals to 0. Now try to write the given information in tabular form. Students, it is given that to manufacture 1 package of screw A, automatic machine is required for 4 minutes and hand operated machine is required for 6 minutes. Similarly, to manufacture 1 package of screws B, automatic machine is required for 6 minutes and hand operated machine is required for 3 minutes. Also, it is given that daily each machine is available for at most 4 hours. It means machine is available for maximum 4 hours daily. As you can see, time required to produce 1 package of screw A or B on each machine is given in minutes, and total time for which machines are available is in hours. So first convert 4 hours into minutes, that is equals to 240 minutes. Now 1 package of screw A requires 4 minutes of automatic machine. So X packages of screw A requires 4x minutes of automatic machine. Similarly, 1 package of screw B requires 6 minutes of automatic machine. So Y packages of screw B requires 6y minutes of automatic machine. And automatic machine is available for maximum 240 minutes. So mathematically we write it as 4x plus 6y less than or equals to 240. Now 1 package of screw A requires 6 minutes of hand operated machine. So X packages of screw A requires 6x minutes of hand operated machine. Similarly, one package of screw B requires 3 minutes of hand operated machine. Then Y packages of screw B requires 3y minutes of hand operated machine, and hand operated machine is available for maximum 240 minutes. So mathematically we write it as 6x plus 3y less than or equals to 240. Also, profit on one package of screw A is rupees 7. Then profit on X packages of screw A is rupees 7x. Profit on one package of screw B is rupees 10. Then profit on Y packages of screw B is rupees 10y. So objective function is Z equals to 7x plus 10y. So the linear constraints are 4x plus 6y less than or equals to 240, 6x plus 3y less than or equals to 240, x and y both greater than or equal to 0. And objective function is z equals to 7x plus 10y. Now we have to solve these linear constraints to get those values of x and y for which z is maximum. First, we require to draw the graph of equations 4x plus 6y equals to 240 and 6x plus 3y is equals to 240. For that we need table for each equation which contains at least 2 points which satisfies the equation. After this, draw x-axis and y-axis on the graph paper. Take same and suitable scale so that we will be able to plot all the points. Then plot the points of both the equations one by one. And by joining these points, we get two straight lines as shown here. Next, determine the shading of both the inequalities and get common shaded region as shown. Then mark the corner points of this common region as O, A, B and C. Next, find the coordinates of these corner points. In this question, it is easy to identify the coordinates directly from graph. Here, coordinates of O are 0 and 0, coordinates of A are 40 and 0, coordinates of B are 30 and 20, and coordinates of C are 0 and 40. Now, find the value of Z at each corner point. At the point O, value of Z is 0. At the point A, value of Z is 280. At the point B, value of Z is 410. At the point C, value of Z is 400. So, the maximum value of Z is 410 at the point B. Hence, the factory should produce 30 packages of screw A and 20 packages of screw B to get the maximum profit of rupees 410. Now, home assignment. Do questions of exercise 12.2. Thank you.